Hello everyone. Welcome to Everyday English Grammar for Class 1, Worksheet 4. Let's come to exercise A. Fill in the blanks correctly with the words given in the brackets. First, I saw 3 pups in the park. One pup was sleeping. There were 4 oranges in the kitchen. Jenny ate one orange after lunch. Third, Alice found one rabbit in the garden. There were 2 more rabbits in the backyard. Fourth, there were 5 tomatoes in the fridge. My mother sliced one tomato for my lunch. It will come tomato. Here, rabbits. Now come to fifth. We have a cat at home. She gave birth to 3 kittens last night. Sixth, my classroom has 2 doors and 3 windows. Doors and windows. Now exercise B. Add S or ES to these words to change them from one to many. First, rose, roses. Second, fox, foxes. Third, house, houses. Fourth, dress, dresses. Fifth, wish, wishes. Sixth, bench, benches. Seventh, room, rooms. Eighth, bridge, bridges. Now fill in the blanks with the words you have written. First, A. Tina gifted me a bouquet of flowers. B. I gave my best roses to Tanya on her birthday. C. All the children were wearing colorful dresses. D. There are many benches in the park. E. We had to cross 3 wooden bridges to reach the village. F. These cats have 3 kittens each. G. 2 foxes were chasing a young deer in the woods. Now worksheet 5. A. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. First, my name is Maria. I am 5 years old. Second, Mrs. Sarkar teaches us English. She is a teacher. Third, look at this animal. It is a hyena. Fourth, I have a little sister. She is 3 years old. Fifth, I got a gift on my birthday. It is a board game. Now come to exercise B. Complete these sentences with I, you, he, she, it, we or they. First, we were happy to meet our friends after such a long time. Second, Sana was excited. Sana is a girl, so we will use she was going to an amusement park. Here, we are using our friends, so we pronoun will come. Third, this is our dog Rami. It is very cute. Fourth, I will always be there for you no matter what. Fifth, Mark and Jackson are friends. They go to school together. Sixth, if you can't come home here, I can go to them instead. Seventh, this is a beautiful table. How much did you cost it? These actors are from Bengaluru. They are very talented. Thank you.